Like, it's super cute, and this is how it looks from the side, and the lace is everything. The wig is everything. Like, hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I install this unit. This unit is from ViviBabi hair. This is the cute little box that it came in. This is an Amazon Prime wig as well. This is their 16-inch Brazilian water wave unit in the density of 150%. I also cut this wig into an asymmetrical bob because it was a bit longer, but I was just not feeling the length, so I just decided to go with this cute asymmetrical bob. So I'm also going to be showing you how I laid my baby hair. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed this unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from ViviBabi Hair Company. It came in this cute little box right here. Inside of the box, I received their 16-inch water wave texture wig. Along with the wig, I also received this cute little thank you card along with a pair of stocking cap. So on to the cap construction of this wig. So this wig is a 150% density unit wig, and it also has a 13x4 parting space. It came with elastic bands inside of the wig and also 3 combs behind of the lace, 1 to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps. So this hair came pre-plucked, as you guys can see, and the wig was really soft out of the box. So let's jump right into the installation process. So this is the wig that I'm going to be installing today. It came in this cute little box right here. It's from ViviBabi hair on Amazon. This is their 16-inch water wave wig. So this is how the wig looks. I went ahead and plucked it and everything, but you guys, this wig shreds. Like, it really shreds. I went ahead and bleached the knots, and then when I was combing out the hair, you guys, there was a lot of hair loss from this section right here. This is the curls on the wig. To be actually taking this stocking cap that I got from the hair company to do the ball cap method. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my ball cap method for this install. You guys don't mind my hair. I had my hair braided like this for like a couple months now. So I'm gonna be taking my Gorilla Snot. So I'm just sleeking everything back with my Gorilla Snot. As you guys can see, my braids have been in for a couple months, so sleek everything back out of the way. So I'm going to be taking my Bold Hold Active Glue. And I like to go in with my blast free spray. So I'm going to be taking my contour palette from Black Radiance, and I'm going to be taking this shade, and I'm just going to put it in on my stocking cap. And I'm just gonna clean around with my rubbing alcohol. So I went ahead and I took out the elastic band out. I'm going to be taking my same concealer and I'm going to just put it into the parting space of this wig. You can actually use whatever works for you. You can use a tinting spray, you can use black opal foundation, any foundation of your choice, but I prefer to use a concealer or a foundation stick because it's not as runny as, you know, liquid concealer. What lace is? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut down the lace in smaller sections, so when I start to glue the unit it would be easier for me. So I'm just cutting off the excess lace around my ear tabs area, and then I'm going in with some powder just to dot where I'm going to lay the glue. So the glue that I'm going to be using today is my Bold Hold active glue, and I'm just applying 3 layers today. So after I finish applying the 3 layers of the glue, I'm going to just pull the lace onto the glue. So what I do, I pull the lace a little bit in front of the glue itself, so if I have to go in and add a little bit more glue to the front part, it would be easier for me instead of have to clean off the excess glue that is left. So I'm going in with my blow dryer just to blow dry everything, and then I'm going to be taking my elastic band just to melt the lace a little bit more. So about half an hour, this is how the lace is looking. It's melted. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace to the front portion, and as you guys can see, I'm cutting in a jagged motion. So after I finish cutting off the extra lace to the front, I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Freeze Spray just to put it to the front portion of the lace before I start to work on my baby hair, and then I'm going in to blow dry that a bit until I'm satisfied with the outcome. So what I'm gonna do now, I think I'm gonna be parting it on this side. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I'm going to be using my black opal foundation. So by adding this black opal foundation into the lace, it would actually help to blend the lace perfectly with your skin complexion, so everything will look melted. So I'm just parting out my hair in the direction in which I'm going to lay this wig, and I'm going back over with my Got To Be Blast Freeze Spray. I'm going to be taking my contour palette, and I'm going in with so I'm just gonna continue to finesse the parting space of my wig. I'm just parting out my hair, and I'm going back in with a little bit more foundation as well, and then I'm going to work on my baby hairs. So I'm just going to be starting to work on my baby hairs. I wanted a minimalistic amount of baby hairs today, so I'm just parting out small sections of hair, and then I'm going in with my Got To Be Blast Freeze Spray and just blow dry that a bit. So I'm just gonna razor cut down the hair. So now I'm just gonna be taking my elastic band just to tie down my hair so the lace can melt a little bit more. So I'm just gonna damp my hair with some water before I go in to cut this wig. Again, this unit is 16 inches, but I wanted to do like an asymmetrical bob, so I'm gonna be cutting it into this cute little bob. So I'm gonna be working on that until I'm satisfied with the particular length that I was going for. So this is how the back looks. Time to lay my baby. Time to work on my baby hairs, you guys. And as you guys can see, This wig is melted to perfection. It was actually what I envisioned. Like, what lace though? What lace? Before I lay my baby hairs, I'm just going to go in with my Murray's beeswax and just put that back over this area so it can be a bit sleek. So now I'm just going in with my thermal hot comb just to sleek everything in place, and then I'm just going over my baby hairs with the hot comb as well, and then I'm just going to pluck out some hair a bit to the side, and then I'm going to be taking this small curling one just to curl my baby hairs a bit. So I'm going to be taking my Lotta body foaming mousse, and I'm just going to lay my so the look that I'm going for my baby hairs today is soft yet flirty, so I'm just using my Lotta body foaming mousse to lay my baby hairs today. So I'm just gonna work on that until I get them to the desired look that I'm going for. So I'm just going to continue to finesse my baby hairs. So my baby hairs are lady. So to finish up this look, I'm going back in with my hot comb, and then I'm going to be taking my water to just damp the hair a bit, and then I'm going in with my contour palette from Black Radiance just to put in the parting space area, and then I'm going in with my oil sheen just to spray my hair bit. So you guys, this is the end result of my asymmetrical bob, you guys. The hair is definitely a slay, you guys. Like, it's super cute, and this is how it looks from the side. Yeah, the wig is super cute, and it was 16 inches, and as you guys would see, I went in and I cut the wig. So yeah, this wig is super cute, and this wig retails for $107.99 on Amazon, and they also have Amazon Prime shipping, so it's super convenient, and you would get the wig within 2 days. But I'm living in the Caribbean, so it took about 2 weeks to get here. The pros and the cons of this wig: it's super soft and the lace is everything. But the cons is that the wig sheds a lot after bleaching the hair and pre-plucking this unit as well. This hair shreds terribly, and I'm loving the end result of this wig, you guys. It definitely slays. Yeah, you need to go out and get yourself one of these wigs. The wig is everything, like. So thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.